In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get started with the email marketing software MailerLite. Here's what I'll be covering. 1. How to set up a free account and go through the approval process of MailerLite. 2. How to create a simple landing page. 3. How to create simple text emails. 4. How to automate your emails and make everything run on autopilot. 5. How to send out newsletters emails to your email subscribers. Before we start, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps us a lot, thanks, and let's get into today's topic. I leave timestamps to all of the steps down below in the description. This is a step-by-step tutorial that is designed so that you can set up your MailerLite account alongside watching this video. The goal is to have your account and your email marketing system set up and running by the end of watching this video. So first, we need to get started with an account on MailerLite. At the time of shooting this video, you can use MailerLite for free as long as you stay below 1,000 subscribers and below 12,000 emails per month. The first step is to go to the description of this video and click on the first link, where you can sign up for a free account. When you click on the first link in the description of the video, you get to this page, which is the page where you can sign up for a free account of MailerLite. So what we're going to do is click on Sign Up Free, and then we can get started with a free account by just entering some information. Fill out the form and then click Create My Account. Now we're in our MailerLite account, and the next thing that we need to do is complete our profile and then request approval. Click on Complete Profile. Here's the information we'd like you to fill in. Put the first name, last name, time zone, language preference. Select industry, YouTube channel URL and other details. After filled profile details, to begin creating your landing page, navigate to the top of the dashboard and click on Sites. From there, select the Create a Landing Page option. When creating your landing page, naming it appropriately is essential for organization, but the name is for your reference only. After naming your page, click Save and Continue. The next step is to assign your landing page to a specific group. Groups are helpful for segmenting your audience, allowing you to tailor your email campaigns to different categories of subscribers. For instance, if you have subscribers interested in photography and others interested in videography, you might create two different groups. However, as you've just set up your account, you'll typically have one group. Select it and click Save and Continue. Now, you'll have access to a variety of templates for your landing page. Although you can choose from these templates, we're opting to start from scratch for this tutorial. This means we'll delete the template components. To do this, click on Actions at the top, then select Remove Content Blocks. Confirm the deletion by typing Remove in the provided field. With the unwanted elements removed, you can decide whether you want to keep the header and footer. These sections are ideal for including links to your social media profiles or your logo. However, for this tutorial, we'll proceed without them. Uncheck the boxes for the page header and footer, leaving you with a blank canvas to design your landing page. To add elements to your landing page, go to the right side and click on Blocks. Here, you'll find various components that you can drag and drop onto your canvas to build your landing page. For this example, let's add an image representing your lead magnet and a simple sign-up form. Drag the sign-up form block onto your canvas. At this point, you can customize the elements to suit your needs. Begin by changing the image. Click on the image component, and on the right side, select Image and upload your desired image. For instance, you can upload the cover of your lead magnet, such as a YouTube optimization checklist. Next, adjust the text. Modify the headline to reflect your offer. For instance, you can change it to Free YouTube Checklist. Additionally, you can edit the text below, providing a brief description of the checklist's purpose, such as use this checklist to rank your videos on YouTube. Consider mobile optimization by ensuring your text is centered. This helps maintain a visually pleasing layout on both desktop and mobile views. You can center the text by clicking on the element, selecting Align, and choosing Center. Preview your page to check how it appears on both desktop and mobile screens. If you're satisfied with the page's design, you can save your progress. Before publishing, make sure to test the page to ensure it functions correctly. Verify that visitors are correctly added to your email list and that the confirmation and success pages work as intended. When everything is in order, you can click the Publish button to make your landing page live. To maximize your landing page's success, focus on the clarity of your message, the attractiveness of your offer, and your traffic sources for driving visitors to the page. It's essential to monitor the page's performance regularly and make necessary adjustments to improve conversion rates and achieve your goals. Did you find this video informative? If so, please show your support by smashing that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting new content.